National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Knox County in East Tennessee until 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Robinwood and Merlin. For your protection, go an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Knox, Tennessee.